Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable PayPal notifications to reduce daily distractions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable PayPal notifications, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the PayPal website by typing www.paypal.com in the address bar. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Notifications option on the left sidebar. You will now see a list of notification categories. Review the categories to find the types of notifications you wish to disable. Uncheck the boxes next to the notifications you no longer want to receive. If you want to disable all notifications, look for a master switch or toggle option. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click on the Save button to apply your changes. Next, consider disabling notifications in the PayPal mobile app if you use it. Open the PayPal app on your mobile device. Log in, if prompted, and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, select Notifications. Here, you can manage your notification preferences just like on the website. Toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. Once you're done, simply exit the Settings menu. By following these steps, you'll significantly reduce daily distractions from PayPal notifications. Enjoy a more focused and distraction-free experience with your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.